This challenge is called Where Are the Robots? It's an easy level challenge in the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, can you find the robots? And then there is a link to a website. Okay. All right. So let's start the challenge. So the first thing we need to do in this challenge is to access the website associated with the challenge. There is a link right here. So we can right-click this link and then select Open Link in New Tab. So this is the best way to access the web page without closing out the challenge description over here. Okay, so we can tab over to the web page, and on the web page it says, Welcome, where are the robots? So this is a reference to the robots.txt file. That is a file that web developers can put on their websites in order to instruct search engine robots, like the ones that come from search engines like Google or Yahoo, and instruct them as to where they can go on the site to catalog what is on the website and put it on the search engine. Okay, so to access this robots.txt file, we just need to go over to the address bar, and on the end of the address bar, after the slash, we're going to type robots.txt. So after that, we can hit enter to manually navigate to this page. And here, the robots.txt file exists. And let's take a look at what is in the robots.txt file. So first of all, there's this one entry over here that's called user agent with the value of star. So user agent is basically what kind of browser a person is using. So that could be the Chrome browser, it could be the Firefox browser, or any other type of agent, which are the different tools that are used to access web pages. So in this case, the value is star, which means that any agent can access the website. In this case, it also says disallow. So disallow means that the search engine robot should not catalog these sections of the website. And in this case, it says slash this web page right here. So we know that this web page exists on the website because it's been put on this disallow list. So what we can do is we can access it by copying the endpoint over here, and then we right-click and copy, and then back at the top of the address bar here, we're going to delete robots.txt slash, and then we're going to paste in this new web page. Okay? And after we've done that, we can hit the enter key to access the page. And on this new page, it says, guess you found the robots, and then there's a flag. All right, so all we need to do now is highlight the flag, copy the flag, and then over on the challenge page, paste in the flag in this field over here, and click on Submit Flag. And we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.